All right, happy Wednesday. It's hump day. We're continuing our math lesson, lesson five. I think this is session three. So go to page 115, and here's the problem. Let's make sense of the problem. It says John says 6 times 1 equals 6. Jeff says 6 times 0 equals 6. Who's correct? John or Jeff? Who's correct? John is correct? Okay. Because what's the rule when it comes to 0?
Anything times zero is zero.
Anything times 0 is 0. That's right. So, Jeff, sorry, you're out of luck. You're wrong. Excuse me, you're incorrect. That's another way to say you're wrong, just so you know. Okay. So you can use equal groups to understand multiplying with 1. 6 times 1 means there are 6 groups with 1 each. Okay. Now, 6 times 0 means that there are 6 groups with how many in each group? 0. Nothing. Okay. So a group of 0 is empty. All right. Go to page 117. It says, look at the first model, 6 times 1, which we did. There are how many groups in 6 times 1? How many groups? 6. Okay. 6 of how many in each group? 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. So we said that John was right? So is John right? Yes, he is. Okay. Says draw the first model and add another group of 1. Oh. So let's go back to this. Oops, wrong one. Like that. And it says to go back to 116. It says to add another group of 1, right? Yes? Another group of 1. Now, what's the multiplication equation? 7 times 1. That's right. Okay. Okay, so now there are 7 groups of 1. So what was the multiplication again? Somebody said it? 7 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Okay. So what do you notice about the number of groups and the product when you multiply 6 times 1 and 7 times 1? Okay. It's the same answer as one of the as one of the numbers, right? Okay. It says look at the second model. There are how many groups? How many groups first? 6. When it was 6 times 0, how many were in each group? 0. So 6 times 0 is 0. So but Jeff said that it was 6 times 0 is 6. Is he right? No. Okay. So it says explain what would happen if more groups of 0 were added. If more groups of nothing were added, what's still the answer? 0. Okay. Okay, you tell me what to fill in. It says fill in the missing numbers to complete each fact. 5 times 0?
Zero.
Oh. One number times 1 gives me 5. 5. 3 times 1 gives me 0. 0. And 3 times 1? 3. Boom. Make that 0 better. Like that. Okay. Yes? Again? Perfect. Says which of the following facts has a product of 0? When they say product, That means the answer to a multiplication problem, okay? So let's see. A, is that right?
Yes.
B,
Yes.
okay. How about C?
No.
No, why?
Because it doesn't have a 0.
Well, technically it does, but it's 10 times 1, which would be 10. How about D? No, because that would be 5, right? So E?
Yes.
Yes. So my answers for those, A, okay, B, and E. All what does all three of those have in common? They all equal 0, but they all have what? Yeah, one of the factors is 0, right? Excellent. So it says to draw a model to show 4 times 0. Okay? It doesn't say to write a multiplication problem. We already have that. Okay? So it says to draw a model. That means I need to draw a picture of equal groups, right? So 4 times 0, the first number tells me how many groups I have. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second number tells me how many in each group. So how many in each group?
0.
Am I done?
Yes.
Yes, I'm done. That's it. All you need to do is draw 4 circles and you're done. Boom. So then what's 4 times 0 then?
0.
4 times 0?
0.
I'll say it again. 4 times 0?
0.
0.